Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I'm going to show you how you can link Amazon Alexa to your custom button. At first you have to open headphones application from Sony. Next you have to go for System. You have to find Change Function of Custom button, tap right here, and then you have to find Amazon Alexa, click on it, and as you can see it's finished. To confirm, we have to tap done, and that's all. Right now we have to click OK another time and then reconnect to your headphones, and after that simple process you will be able to boot your Alexa by tapping on the custom button on your headphones. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.